Can't remember what the squadron is.
So this is used for helicopter training?
This was used for training. Yeah. This was advanced. This was advanced training.
Ah.
Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform out of pit of flesh. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire.
Hey y'all, hey, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm Sash. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my loyal royals. So good to see you. If you are new to the fam, welcome to the family, my new loyal royals. So good to finally meet you. I'm going to make this intro very, very quick, but welcome back to another Aviation Monday. First Aviation Monday video of the year at that. But anyway, in this particular video, this is going to be done as a vlog style video. However, it will be some talking, but at the same time, not a lot of talking. Only because I got to take a trip to the American Helicopter Museum in Pennsylvania. Full details and location for the museum will be down in the description box. And as I mentioned before, it will be some talking, but not a lot. Mostly just walking around throughout the museum and looking at the different types of helicopters. This is due to the fact that there were a lot of children there, and y'all know how YouTube be when it comes to kids. So, with that being said, I do hope that you guys enjoy this one. There have been multiple bits of shorts all across my channel. If you do enjoy travel and aviation, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I would highly appreciate it, and that way you can keep up to date on where I go, as well as other aviation shorts and other things alike. That being said, enjoy the vlog, and I'll see y'all in the next video. See y'all around.
I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your.
Here you go from the strut onto this part of the strut. Lean over, first foot on the bottom stairs. Grab the mooring point handle up there. Step up to the top there. Slide window forward. There's a handle inside. You step in on the seat on your feet. Turn, sit down. So this is the engine, and I'll explain this here. Okay. Exhaust, engine, manifold, starter, magnetos, governor, and then the rest of it, this is all accessory from that that goes to that.
So this whole thing is the engine itself.
Yeah, there would be a blower that goes off this that comes out too.
Wow. Whew. So apparently there's this little challenge of, can you get into the Kitty Hawk? Directions. That's how you get in. And I'm sitting in it. Ah! I'm actually sitting here, like, see? My feet go all the way down. And I literally have just enough space to move my legs. Yep, so I just sat in that from the other video, which you'll see. Yeah, that was fun. This is the Kitty Hawk Flyer. Congratulations. I'm one of the very few that actually considered it. I guess that goes for adults. I don't know, it must be easier for kids, but as far as adults, it's actually not that hard to get into. It's just a matter of really following directions. But hey, there you go. You said this is the #1 aircraft?
That's your #1.
Wow. Oh, look at how beautiful this airplane is. Good golly. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This was restored?
Okay, look across the way. Can't remember what the squadron is.
So this is used for helicopter training?
This was used for training. Yeah, this was advanced. This was advanced training.
Ah.